Push, push, push. And up to the canter. You just got to go forward. It's a bit on the lazy side. Lovely. Does this round pen ever flood? Canter. Sit down. Yes. Very good. So balanced, isn't it?
Yeah.
Canters so slowly for a baby. Go on, Ben. That's it. Last one.
Canter.
Good boy. Well, they're right on the aids now, aren't they? Because they haven't really been on the aids up until now. Okay, you can take him off to lunge now, Pam. So you